Hi guys, what's up? So welcome to the channel. So today, oh wait, you guys probably don't know me. So I'm Delana. Today I'm going to change my YouTube channel name, okay? Not YouTube channel name. So I'm gonna put DPL vlogs because I'm going to do vlogs and reviews. So I did some songs covers and those stuff. So I'm gonna change that to reviews and vlogs. So today I'm doing a review, and it's a really important one because I got a MacBook Pro 2018 one. It has a touch bar and it's 13-inch. So let's review it. And I have got some spare, like, USB cables, like port stuff. So let's unbox it first and then review it. So let's go, let's unbox it. So guys, so this is my laptop, and this is MacBook Pro 13-inch with the touch bar, and then I got this. It's $89. Let's unbox this laptop. And guys, this is my first MacBook Pro, and I didn't had any Apple laptops. So this is my first laptop, and yeah. So let's unbox it. So first I have to get rid of the wrapping thingy. So I will do that and then just unbox it and then show you what's inside. And yeah, so let's go and open it up. So yeah, brand new MacBook Pro. So let's get this baby. Oh my god, it feels so light. Let's put this here and let's talk about what's inside. This is what you get. This is the charging cable, and so this is a new one, like 2018 model. So, and I think it has the Apple stickers, and you get the charger. Yeah, you get the charger. You can see I think that's all we get. Yeah, that's all we get. And yeah. Oh yes, so let's open this up. Yes, so here's the screen. Let's turn on. It's turning on. Oh my god. Oh, look at the charge bar. Oh, it feels so nice. So guys, I just finished everything that I have to get this started. So yeah, now I'm going to log in. So I'm going to enter my password. So this is the laptop and it's already turned on. And guys, I actually don't know about this laptop, but I still can show you the basics of it. So let's get started. This is the touch bar. It has a lot of functions, and it's really quick, like, and it's smooth. And there's Siri as well. Hi Siri.
Hello.
Yeah, see guys, so the touch bar is really cool. I guess that's all. So I'm actually don't know about this laptop. So yeah. Okay guys, so make sure to go and subscribe, like and comment. And yeah, so there's another thing I have to tell you guys. I'm gonna give something out. So like I'm gonna give Yeezys to one of you guys. So you guys just have to like and comment and subscribe and share. So yeah, so make sure to do that and get that giveaway. So see you guys in the other video. It's going to be a vlog or a review. So peace.